Hello, first grade. We are doing handwriting pages 66 and 67 right now. So, you can grab your handwriting book and open up to that page. Please grab a pencil. Mrs. Wagner is going to use a marker so that you guys can see it better on the video. But as you can see, look what markers do. It bleeds through. So disregard. Disregard means don't worry about. Just kind of forget about the red writing that you see there, okay? This is our last letter that we have in our handwriting book. We are doing letter Z today, lowercase letter Z. That means it stays in between those guidelines. It does not go above and it does not go below. A lot of handwriting pages I got from you guys before last week with when we did letter X. Some of you guys were going above and below. You guys were not taking your time. So slow down, take your time. Handwriting is very, very important. And until you know how to do it, you have to go slow, okay? So, Z, you go across. So you start on the line and you go across. You are not done. Start on the line, go across, slide down diagonally. Still not done. Looks like number 7. Start on the line, go across, slide down, go across. Okay, so that's how you do the Z. So when you come down here, look at how they do capital Z. That is above. But lowercase z stays on the line, slide down, go across. Trace it. Write your own slide down, slide across, slide down, go across. See how they stay on the line? They stay on the lines and in between the lines. Do not go above. Please, please, please do not send me a Z that looks like this. Okay? Stay in those guidelines. Just like if your mom and dad are driving on the road, you don't want them to go outside of those guidelines, do you? Those yellow lines? Because if they do, they might hit a vehicle. So lines are important. Those guidelines are important. So trace. Write your own. Trace. Stay in between those lines. Don't get in a car accident. Trace. Trace. No car accidents. And you can keep tracing and do those. Then on this page, you're practicing your capital letters again. So it's the same thing. Go across, but you're above. For the capital letters, you're above the lines. They're sky-high letters. They're adult letters. So slide across, diagonal down, slide across. And you do your own slide across, diagonal down, slide across. Okay? Finish those. Do some more lowercase. Then trace right. Trace right. These slow down. This is where you guys would get in a hurry and not use those guidelines. So the words there for you to practice. These are just practice. You need to work those finger muscles. So you need to trace the word. This word is pizza. And then write the word. Use those guidelines. Okay, you can do pizza again over here, or you can work down. You can, if you want to change it up. This is zoo. So trace. Do not get in a hurry. See how Mrs. Wagner is still staying in those road lines? I'm not getting in a car accident. Okay, and you finish this, then you can go up here and finish this. These 2 pages. Once you're done, take a picture, send them my way. Make sure you press turn in when you're done with this assignment so that it'll show you that you finish it. Okay? Have a good day.